guys, welcome back to my video channel. So in today's video we are going to look at pandas. So pandas is basically our open source library built on top of NumPy. It allows data cleaning, data preparation and fast analysis of data. It works with data from a wide variety of sources as well. So let us see how we can install pandas into our system. Go to your command prompt and type in conda install pandas. So like I've been telling you, you don't need to change the path, just install it directly. So now the pandas has been installed into my system, so you can close this. Go to your go to Jupyter Notebook and type import pandas as pd. Okay, so now in this video we will look at series. So series is the first main data type. It is similar to a NumPy array. The main difference between the NumPy array and series is that the series can be indexed by a label. So let us take a look at few examples to make ourselves more clear. So I'll create four different types of data, different data types. One is list. The second one is also a list but of numbers. The first one is of strings. The third one I'll create a array, and the fourth one I'll create a dictionary. So first let me create a list of strings. Second, I'll create a list of numbers. Third, I'll create an array of the list, my list. Fourth, I'll create a dictionary. Okay, so now let us see how we can sorry I forgot to import NumPy. So now let us see how we can create a series. So for that, just type pd dot capital SERIES series. So in the first argument let's pass in the data. So for that I'll pass the list, my list. So now if I run this, so you can see that this particular list has been indexed by 0, 1 and 2. So which is basically in a list also it will be indexed from 0, 1 and 2. So now let us see how we can index it with a different value. So for that, let's pass in the data as my list only, and in the second argument let's pass in the index as labels. So now you can see that this particular my list has been indexed using the labels A, B, C. So this is the main difference between a NumPy array and a series. So in a series we can index it with a different label. You can also do that by just typing the list and the labels. You don't need to specify data and index. Okay, similarly we can do that for a series also. Just type in the data and the labels. So the array, this particular array this particular array has been indexed by a different label A, B, C. We can also do that for a dictionary as well. So in the dictionary the key value was A, and the key was A and the value was 10. So you can see that we converted the dictionary into a series as well. So the main key of using a series is understanding its index. So we'll look more into series in the next video, and in the next video we'll also dive into data frames.